Hey everybody, I'm Angela Heath. I am the president of TKC Incorporated. We just finished GIGcon. GIGcon is our offering during Global Entrepreneurship Week. And I just wanted to give a special thanks to our panel, to Elena Jean-Delay, to Nick Kindler and Marlon Shaw. They knocked it out of the park, helping businesses know how you can use public speaking to grow your business. Whether you get on someone else's stages or you build your own, it is quite possible to do. And if you are interested in seeing the GigCon, it's a 2-hour webinar. I will be happy to send it to you. Just send an email to info@tkcincorporated.com and we will get that right out to you today. Thank you. And thanks so much to my panelists. I tell you, I got so many great reviews. The participants learned a lot. Thanks. Bye.